Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting if you order for the QW33 smartwatch. So this is the pack of the QW33 smartwatch. This is how it looks, as you can see. So it has smartwatch here. So, and this is how the watch looks. So you can see the features here. So we're going to go through all of these features later in other videos. So if you look at the side, this is how the side of the pack looks. This is the other side. So that's the app we're going to be using, the Fondo Health app. So, and this is how the back looks. So we have the features there with respect to the fact that it has fitness, inbuilt speaker. We're going to treat all of that in subsequent videos. So, but for now, I'm just going to show you how the watch looks. So once you open it, this is how it's going to typically look like. So this is it. So if you look at the screen, you can see mine doesn't have a nylon on it. So there's usually a nylon on this screen itself, and also the strap also has nylon on it. So this is how it's going to look. So in my own case, I've actually taken off the nylon on the screen. So this is the first thing, the watch itself. So the second thing is this packaging. So let's put it aside. So we have the extra strap that comes with it. So this is the extra strap. So it's the silicone strap. So you can actually switch the metal strap to this silicone strap. Also, you have the charger. So I'm going to make a video on how to charge it too. So this is the charger. So, and lastly, the manual. So the manual comes in both Chinese and English language. So the manual in English language is it. So that's basically what you get when you order for the QW33 smartwatch. So thank you and have a nice day.